For centuries, fossil fuels powered our economies. Now, we're living with the consequences. It's time to turn the page. Time to strike a new deal. The Clean Industrial Deal. The European Investment Bank Group is joining efforts with the European Commission to help cut CO2 emissions and make the green transition the new engine of growth and prosperity. Lowering energy prices, strengthening companies and creating jobs. 500,000 jobs by 2030. Expanding Europe's electricity grid.
Our main task is to bring renewables into our grid. We do need this to become more independent within Europe.
We are boosting support for wind turbine makers and component manufacturers, helping companies and renewable energy producers team up to cut costs and speed up investments, and investing in the future of European clean tech.
Vi tror på, at grøn brint er absolut nødvendig, hvis vi skal dekarbonisere mange forskellige industrier, heriblandt transport, og det gør vi ved at skalere brintproduktionen.
We are all in on this deal, mobilizing 40 billion euros to boost Europe's competitiveness, strengthen strategic autonomy, and protecting our planet for generations to come.